Do subscribe our Techno Guru class channel and please don't forget to press that bell icon to receive further updates.
Hey, hello guys, this is Hitesh here. Welcome to our Techno Guru class and to the Python for Beginners series. In this tutorial, I'll tell you how we can create a separate file, basically whatever programs that we did till now that we executed on shell. So my concern is now I don't want to execute each and every program in shell, okay, because each and every time I cannot use the shells for my execution, right? So there should be one file, a separate file which I can save and I can use whenever I need it, okay. So that only I'm going to do over here. So I'll tell you how to create that, okay. So you just have to go in file. Here you can see new file, okay. So this is something we got over here as a new file. Now here we will write the set of codes that whatever you want to uh, take, okay. So let's say I'll just take some input variable as like fn, that first name. There are some set of functions I can use input. I'll give one statement, enter your name, okay. This is just a silly code that I'm going to write over here, guys. This is nothing different in this. Mm, enter your last name, okay. So these are just basically a simple code. Now what I'm going to do here, I'll just write print and I'll try to display this fn comma space comma ln. So this is something just I'm trying to display over here, okay. Now let's save this file, okay. This is a separate file, it's untitled, that means you don't have any name for this as such. I'll try to save this. I'll click on save as, or you can do save. I'll click on desktop. I'm going to save my file in desktop, okay, on desktop. So here I'll give the name, let's say prog1. I can say prog underscore 1. Don't forget to select this Python file, okay. So save as, the type should be Python file, otherwise it will not save properly, because you're not going to give any extension over here .py or something. So this much. So just save this file. Once you saved, now you can see this is my name, prog underscore y.py. This is the name of my file. Now if you want to execute this file, you have just created, open that editor. Now you just want to run that, run this program, right? Whatever you execute here, now you're going to execute through file, right? This is my separate file. So how I'm executing, just I'll show you. You just have to go in run and you have to click on run module, okay. So you can see over here on shell it is asking me for the input, okay. So here I'll give techno, this is my input, and last name I'll give as guru, okay. If I press enter, you can see I got techno guru as a file name over here, okay. So this is something that happens. Next, so here you can do anything, guys. Whatever you are executing on, you are implementing on this, the output, if you're going to via this, if you click on run and you click on this run module, you'll get everything executed on this shell, okay. So now I'll show you some different method, one more way, like if this file is suppose not open and if you want to execute this file, so how it can. So I have over here program, Python programs where I have saved my file. So you can see prog1. Now you just have to simply double click on this, or you can do right click and run for that, okay. That open, so that will also work. So you can see now if you just double click on that, you can see you're getting a black screen over here, that is py.exe. Okay, now it is asking you just for input, enter your name. So I'll just input the same techno and the last name guru, okay. Now let's see what happens over here. If I press enter, oh, you saw something over here. Yeah, what happened is your output screen went off, like Techno Guru I saw over there, but it was not visible over there for much time, right? So that's the drawback over here. So what? How we can tackle this problem? So what I'll do is I'll just show you. I'll just go. I'll click edit with IDE. I'll just click on this. Now you can see this file is open over here. Okay. So now you can just give one statement, something which will help me to hold my let's say my output screen. If you know, in C++ we give get ch, right? Here we don't have any some such functions, but you can use of a function like input. Okay, you know, input is something which will ask me for a character and then only it will proceed, right? So here I'll write um, press any key to exit from here. Okay, this is just a message I'm going to give. Okay, and I'll try to save this file I want to save in the same. So click on save, just close this. Now right click, open. Now you can see I'll just give tech no, and I'll give guru. What happens is print statement helps me to print that statement. I'll just open this in front of you. Yeah, this. So this print statement helps me to print the statement, and you can see one statement is there, press any key to exit from here. When you can press enter or you can press any key, it will help you to come out of this. So let's see, I press enter, let's say any key from here, it will come out from this screen. So this is some advantage over here that you get. So don't forget, you just have to put this, then only your output screen will be stable over there, otherwise it will go off. So this much only. You write your own codings, you watch the previous basic programs, those all programs you can implement over here. Any doubts, you comment me down, I'll feel free to answer you. Thank you for watching this, and guys, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you.